Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Syafiq, known as Azhar from Petroleum Engineering. Me and my team has created an invention to help the consumer to do their laundry. We came out an idea to create a 3D capsule, which is the laundry detergent pot, to help the consumer to do their laundry in a better way. This is the agenda for this slide. First is about our company and our product. Next we move on to the problem solution. Next we move on to the technology and competition, and lastly we have marketing and sales. Is our management team, a team consisting of 4 people who aims to make laundry work a fun and a better experience. Meet our general manager, Miss Azreen Nadira, me, Amirul Syafiq as the supervisor, Mr. Taufiq Hakimi as the promotion team, and Mr. Edry as the maintenance team.
I will now explain a little bit about our product, which is the 3D capsule. So basically, the 3D capsule is actually a laundry capsule pot, which comes in different scents, including detergent and softeners. So basically, in the capsule itself, we have put detergents and also softeners, so that when you put the capsule into your into your washing machine, then it will do the same work as what detergent and softeners usually do. But the capsules are packed separately, so that you won't need to carry bottles of detergent and softeners. And also about the product is that our capsules are very small, and it is lightweight. It is small in size, and also it can be carried easily anywhere without you, as I said just now, without you having to carry heavy detergent bottles. Okay, so why do we need to choose our 3D capsule? Why not the other choices that we have in the market? So basically, we have gathered several informations for us to come up with this idea. The first one is that as a student myself also, I have encountered several problems when doing my laundry that made me less interested when I would have to do my laundry. So basically, the first one is that I would have to carry huge and heavy bottles of detergent and also softener bottles to the laundry, and I think it is very inconvenient for me because I would also have to carry my laundry bag. And then the next problem is that since I'm a student, my room is not that spacious, so I do not have enough space for me to put big bottles of detergent and also softeners in my room, as it would take some of the spaces that I would need to put other stuff. And the next thing is that as a student myself, I would sometimes want to save my money because usually in the market nowadays, most detergent and also most softeners, especially softeners, they are quite expensive as a student. And if I would want to buy smaller sizes, I think for me it is not worth it, although it is quite cheaper in price. So the solution that we have come up from what we are going to sell is that since it is a 3D capsule, it is very small in size. So since it is small, it is very lightweight, so I wouldn't have to carry huge bottles and heavy bottles to the laundry by myself. So I would just need to put probably 5 capsules in my laundry bag, and then that's enough for me. And then the next thing is that it is cheap. It is very cheap, and then it can also be bought at a small quantity. So if you think that for during that month you are low in budget, then you won't have to buy heavy big bottles of detergent. You just need to buy the capsules, but in a small quantity. So our target for our product is that we would want to target mainly students and also lazy people, workaholic people, because as what I have said just now, our product, our 3D capsule is very easy to be used. It is cheap, especially that is the most important part, and also it is convenient, it is lightweight. So I think that all these attributes are very convenient for people who would want to save more time and more energy when they are doing their laundry.
Do you know 3D capsule is made of 3 different technologies, which are detergent, softener and also fragrance in one capsule. As for the detergent, it is made of mixture containing soaps and surfactants in concentrated liquids intended for washing and cleaning purposes. Next, as for the softener and fragrance, the softener is actually made of some scientific stuffs and it provides the softness, while the fragrance covers the smell of the surfactant from the detergent. And last but not least, the capsule is made of some membranes that are released once it comes in contact with moisture during wash. For our marketing strategy, we divide it into two, which is for social media and also website. As for social media, we use influencers for marketing and promotion purposes, and we also associate with community through user-generated content. We also use media advocacy campaign and giveaways through social media. We also optimize website by giving special discount for first-time customer, provides free shipping and special promotions for sign-up customer, and advertise our product on other websites and search engine.
Next, we move on to the competition part. The first competition is direct competition. Direct competitors are the brands or business that sell the same product or service to the target audience. Based on our product laundry pods, these are the example of our competitors, which is risk, site and area. Next, we move on to the second competition, which is indirect competition. Indirect competitors provide product or service that are not the same but satisfy the same consumer need. So these are the example of our indirect competitors, which is Top, Dynamo and Daya from Malaysia. Next, we move on to the last competition, which is the replacement competition. Replacement competitors are business that can replace existing organization by producing new product or service. Based on our product, there are no competitors in this area because our product is the pioneer of new invention for the laundry industry.
Hello, my name is Edry. I will explain about the financial projections for our 3D capsule product. Here we have the projections for 6 months, which are from August 2022 to January 2023. I will explain just 1 or 2 columns as the rest are really self-explanatory. For August 2022, our total revenue of 2,975 has been obtained and the less goods sold is 400, which brings us a total of gross profit 2,575. To get the net profit, general expenses have to be factored in, which are rent, advertising, labor, utility, phone, and insurance. After factoring these expenses, we will get a net profit of 535. This method applies for all the other months. Things to note here is that our company actually will have a net loss of 440 in the month of October. This is because our gross profit is less than our general expenses for that month. Moving on to the current status of the 3D capsule, which has 3 stages. First stage being product supply, which is in June 2022. This is where we choose the best supplier and also monitor for quality control in all the products. Second stage is the promotional stage, which is in July 2022. This is before the big release, which is in the next month. Here we will open up all pre-orders in all websites that the 3D capsule can be sold. Finally, the last stage is the product launch. This is where products are available everywhere and is in stock, and people can buy it wherever they want. We will also be seeing reviews and feedbacks on the 3D capsule as they are being released throughout the nation. Finally, for financial side, this is how we are going to build the company. 25% is self-fund. As we are all students and are very strict on money, we will acquire loans which will make up of 75% to assist in building our 3D capsule brand and company. That is all from our team. Thank you very much for listening.